the biggest reason why I have started this podcast is because what is a podcast and why am I doing it? Hello everyone, this is Rahil Emani, and finally, after lots of efforts and planning, I have started my own podcast. This is episode 1, and episode 1 के लिए मैंने बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स सोचे, and the best thing I could come up with is to actually tell you guys what a podcast is. क्योंकि शायद कुछ लोगों को ऑडियंस में नहीं पता होगा कि पॉडकास्ट होता क्या है. And I will also tell you guys why I have started this podcast. So let's begin. Well, podcast comes from two words, iPod and broadcast. iPod यानी कि वो जो MP3 प्लेयर होता था जिस पे हम गाने सुनते थे, and broadcast means sharing to everyone. So basically, podcast is one type of radio. But radio is very generic. It's for everyone. Podcast is very niche specific. यानी कि आपको हर एक चीज़ के ऊपर पॉडकास्ट मिल जाएंगे. You can find podcasts on productivity, news, business, sports, anything. And that is one of the reasons why I have started this podcast. It's so that I can be very specific with you guys. And इससे आप लोगों को भी फ़ायदा होगा. Another thing you might notice is that there are no cuts in this and there is no script in this. It's because I'll come here and I'll share my thoughts directly to you guys. And इससे आप लोगों का ही फ़ायदा होगा. Another thing, the biggest reason why I have started this podcast is because this can be a two-way communication. यानी कि आप लोग मुझे अपने सवाल, अपने प्रॉब्लम्स, अपने कन्फ्यूजन्स या फिर आपने कोई अचीवमेंट्स हासिल की हो लाइफ में, यू कैन सेंड इट टू मी, यू कैन DM मी ऑन Instagram, ऑन Twitter. I'll put my handles down in the description. And don't worry, your identity will be confidential. But I will try to solve those problems. I will try to फाइंड सॉल्यूशंस टू दोज प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड इससे फ़ायदा क्या होगा कि आप लोगों की प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो ही जाएगी, बट मे बी देर इज़ समवन एल्स इन द ऑडियंस हु कैन रिलेट टू दोज प्रॉब्लम्स एंड उन लोगों का भी फ़ायदा होगा. सो दिस कैन बी अ ग्रेट टू वे कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन मी एंड यू गाइज, and that is one of the biggest reasons why I've started this podcast. And yes, there also will be guests on this podcast, so be sure to subscribe wherever you're watching. If you're watching this on YouTube or if you're listening this on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, anywhere, be sure to subscribe. मैंने बहुत मेहनत से पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट किया है and hopefully this will be really helpful to you guys, because videos, normal scripted videos से ज़्यादा मैं इसमें आप लोगों को बहुत ही ज़्यादा वैल्यू प्रोवाइड कर सकता हूँ. And be sure to send me your questions, whatever doubts you have, whatever maybe there's some confusion in your life, just DM me. And don't worry about the identity. आपकी identity confidential रहेगी. And thank you so much, people watching on YouTube. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for listening, guys. That's all for episode 1. Thank you. Goodbye.